This is my 2024 Honda Grom. I got it about a month ago, and the goal with this bike was really to learn how to dial in wheelies on a gas bike. Well, I think I finally am getting close to really getting balance point on this thing. So today, we're gonna ride the 2024 Grom SP. See, there we go. This is completely stock, like springs and all that, clutch, all stock. I don't know, something just clicked. So guys, this may or may not be the last video I make on this bike. I got this bike primarily for my enjoyment, and most of you guys don't really care about it, which is totally fine. Most of my subscribers like electric bikes, which I also like, but we got this thing. So all my wheelies I'm doing on this thing, guys, are in second gear, just dumping the clutch. I found it's better if you go like closer to 15 or 16 versus 20. You can hear I kind of go off the limiter. We pull on the clutch. And we're shift locking just between the peg and the shifter. So fun, dude. We'll go into this section. I'll show you guys quick. We can also do them in first gear. A little different, but you gotta go like right to drop back, but it is like not hard to get it up in first gear. Honestly, first gear is like more of a testament of the balance point getting there. It is nice though that it has that engine brake. Slow it down. Can we knee knock it? Nah, I've tried to knee knock a few times, unsuccessful as of yet. But yeah, guys, I'm having fun on this thing, and the crazy part is I've had it like, what, a month and a week maybe, but I've probably only ridden it like 9 or 10 times maybe. I haven't ridden it nearly as much as I would like. Just a little corner action. This bike is a ton of fun, guys. I do need to find some gas bikes to ride with out here. Can we drop a hand? I'm a little afraid to drop a hand. She was begging for an upshift there. These look like trails I could bring the RTR to. Head of the HOA is going to be coming out here like, what's all that ruckus? Don't worry, it's just me. Look at that. Clutch in, clutch in, clutch in. Yeah, this is like the best I've ever been able to wheelie a gas bike, to be honest. The critics are right, guys. Get a Grom. You'll learn to wheelie then. Lower stakes. Teaches the good technique, and then it makes wheeling big bikes a hell of a lot easier. Make the turn. Make the turn. Can we do it? Ah! Whee! On the road again. I too miss the city, but it's all good. Thumbs up. Miles per gallon, so high. Whole ass wheelie strip. Where the frick am I, dude? I don't know where I am, but very nice, very good. was thinking of selling it, but who knows. Hit the twisties. This looks like I'm gonna fly off a cliff. Yeah, buddy. Full tuck. Come on, you got more. 72, 73, 74, 74. See how far away from home I end up, just ripping it around. Damn, BMW land right there. Ooh, a little bumpy road. Okay, actually not too far. We're just in the freaking countryside. To go where I think we need to go, we'll go left. Lefty Larry, let's switch our song. Wow, it's a beautiful life, beautiful world we live in. Does anyone else have just like the intrusive desire to just drive through a cornfield? I mean, not on a Grom, but like in a car, in a truck maybe? Like Interstellar maybe, in a Ram or whatever the hell he was driving. Thought Matthew McConaughey only drove Lincolns. Oh, yeah. I gotta stop, like, I still have, sometimes now and again I'll grab clutch like it's my rear brake. Alright, back to Signs of Civilization. Can you guys even hear me at this speed? It probably sounds horrible. Alright, I feel like that looks pretty sick. Everything just takes longer on a Grom. Alright, we should be coming back into town here. I mean, come on, guys. I'm trying to end the video here, and then we just find this perfect wheelie strip. You know, the Grom is small, but it's still, you know, once you're dropped back, you can't really see over the top. Alright guys, well, this is probably going to be where I end it because the GoPro is about to die, but as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously very different from what you guys are used to. If you're not used to the Grom, if you like the Grom, definitely let me know in the comments. I assume you probably don't, so this will probably be the last video I do on it, but we're still riding it. Having fun, getting better. Like we're just starting to drop back, but yeah, this thing is a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video though, guys. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our road to 100K subs, so if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Really thankful for all y'all that are already subscribed, so shout out to y'all. But otherwise, guys, I'll see you very, very soon. Peace.